OddityRC XI20 O4PRO Building Tutorial No VTX. Preparation. Please gather the following items in advance. 1 set of XI20 O4PRO drones No VTX. 1 set of DJI O4PRO air units. 1 M2 screwdriver. 4 M2X 4mm screws. Disassembly. First, remove the 4 screws on the bottom plate, 1 screw at the rear, and 2 nuts at the front. Next, remove the propeller guard and the front cover. And secure the front cover to the DJI camera. Then, unscrew the 4 mounting screws on the DJI O4PRO and remove the antennas. Assembly. First, reinsert the 2 antennas into the rear 3D printed parts. Then, reinstall the DJI O4PRO air unit and tighten the 4 mounting screws. Insert the ribbon cable into the IO flight controller. Then, use 2 screws to reattach the front cover along with the camera to the frame. Organize the ribbon cable and reinstall the propeller guard. Tighten the rear screws and the front nuts. Finally, align the Type-C port on the bottom cover with the Type-C port on the air unit. First, tighten the 4 screws securing the air unit, then fasten the 4 screws on the bottom plate to complete the installation.